You damn straight you get paid off of it. Other people's getting paid.
What up, world? Okay. Doing the transmission in my daughter's car. We found the 2007 Impala. Cause like I told you, on these, a lot of these newer cars, they gotta be year specific. Alright. I'm gonna show y'all a real quick little thing that y'all can learn. That I learned. Got my auntie here.
Hey.
Had to get her alternator. Got her alternator. She got a little, what was that, an 88 Honda?
88 Honda Accord.
Got the alternator, but I'm gonna show y'all a little trick. Alright, let me do this whole thing right quick. Y'all see this right here? This the battery pack off my impact. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna hook the wires up on this to trick it to show me the mileage on the car. Just how many miles is on the car. How many miles on the car, how many miles on the transmission. The reason why I'm getting this one, because it's been T-boned. Airbags deployed. So, it was total. It was running. 2007 Impala. Here, hold this. Let me show you. Take the battery pack. Negative, negative, positive, positive. Hook the negative up there. Hook the positive up here. See the fuel pump cut on. There. Take it in here. Open the door. You see the cluster is on. Press the buttons to find the thing. $124,000. There you have it, people. Good way to trick any car to see how much mileage is on it. So when you get in your LS swaps, when you get in your junkyard cars, you can trick the computer to tell you how many miles is on the motor if you don't know. Just a quick lesson. Oh, unplug it. There you have it. Quick way to trick any car to show you the mileage on it. So you'll know for sure. Like I say, 124,000 miles. We about to get it.